Hello, hi everyone. Today I will talk about profession and practice in Malaysia. In BQ 1013, Introduction to Construction Measurement. So, first is about evaluation of continuous ways in Malaysia. There are four of them. The first one is the colonial era, 1932 until 1957. Works in the British colonial system. First private QS firm in Malaya, Waters and Watson, initi- initially focused purely on measuring material for government buildings, so that means it's only measured and wasn't using any type of what do you call it, type of uh, software. And then in 1960s centuries until 1990, is about post-independence. Is about cost measurement was introduced due to rapid structural growth and also formation of professional bodies to regulate standard BQSM 1967 and to the modern era in 2000 and until now. The role shifted from cost reporting to strategic cost management and also focus on green building and sustainable costing. And right now, digital future, adaptive building information system BIM, AI-driven estimation tools to enhance speed and accuracy. And key roles of QS in construction have four of them. The first one is preliminary stage, which is feasibility studies and preliminary cost estimate, advising on procurement strategies. And so the second stage is tendering, preparation of tender document and bids of quantities BQ, and also evaluation of tender bids. And the next one is construction stage, evaluation of work done for interim payment, managing variation, change order, and construction plan. And after that is post construction preparation of the final account. We move to the next slide. Expected competencies in QS is technical hard skill, which is proficiency in the standard method of measurement SMM, cost estimation and data analysis. Right now we are using SMM2 as a reference, but we have a new one which is SMM3 and is launched already launched, but it's quite a few of them using it in construction right now. And we move to legal and construction knowledge, a deep understanding of standard form of contract, PAM, JKR, and CIDB, construction law and dispute resolution mechanism. And we move to soft skill, negotiation, conflict resolution, and ethical integrity. And the last one is digital competencies. Competency in software such as Glodon, Cubicles, AutoCAD, Revit, and BIM tools. We move to the next slide. It's about role of BQSM and RSM. There are four roles in BQSM and RSM. The first one is type of organization. For BQSM, statutory regulatory body established under the Quantity Surveyor 1967 RSM is professional institution or association, and the main purpose for BQSM is to regulate, control, and enforce standards in the quantity surveying profession. Um, for RSM is to promote, support, and advance the surveying profession. And legal authority for BQSM has legal power to enforce laws and take disciplinary action. For RSM is function based on voluntary membership and professional cooperation. For information, to become a member, just need to pay 100, and if you want to become a fellow, the fee will be in 400. And registration of QS in BQSM is registered professional QS, registered QS, and QS consulting firm. And RSM is provide membership to surveyors, students, graduate, professional and fellows. And the special about RSM is if you have become a member, the your name can use the SR that refer to surveyors, and not many of them can use the SR because SR is registered only to RSM, so nobody cannot use the SR on their own without permission from RSM. So categories of quantity surveyors in Malaysia is consultant QS, work directly from client, developer or government, protect the client budget and manage the contract importantly. And the second is contractor QS, work for construction company, focus on maximizing profit, reducing subcontractor, and claiming payment. And the third one is develop QS in-house, work within a property developer organization to control internal budget. And the fourth one is academic government QS, lecturers or public servant JKR, managing public project. Importance of standard method of measurement SMM2 is for standardization, fair tender, fair tendering, dispute minimization, and also cost analysis. And common problem when a QS is not involved is budget overrun. Project start without a realistic budget, leading to rent out fund halfway through, and also contractual dispute, lack of clear documentation, lead to argument over scope and payment. Unfair payment also involved when client may overpay for work not done, or contractors may be unpaid, leading to work stoppage, and also variation orders chaos. Changes are made without understanding the cost implication until it's too late. And construction and demolition waste management. QS role in sustainability is calculation, calculating waste allowance in pricing, incentivizing waste reduction through contract clauses. During construction, site waste management plan (SWMP), monitoring waste generation, segregation, separating metals, timber, and concrete for the 3R, which is reuse, reduce, and recycle. And for post-construction, paper referred and utilized landfill building illegal dumping, left recycle costing, considering the cost of demolition and disposal at the design stage. So for conclusion, the role of quantity surveyors QS in Malaysia has fundamentally evolved from a purely technical measurement role to a strategic financial expert. The modern QS managed project goes from the initial feasibility study from the final account Serving as a client financial guardians, they rely on the standard method of measurement assessment tool for fair tendering and must possess strong digital, contractual, and soft skills. Governing the profession are the mandatory regulator BQSM and Developmental Association (RSM). Ultimately, employing a QS is crucial as their involvement prevent costly budget overrun and minimize dispute, ensuring value for money in the complex construction industry. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day and have a great day. Thank you.